It's a beautiful day. The friends are at the soccer field. Everyone is excited for kickoff.
Let's kick it.
Wow!
Whoa! Thanks, Zig.
Abby, get this!
Yeah.
That was a stylish save, Nippy. I feel like a star in this wig.
Nice, Mippy. Boom! Oh, no!
Huh? My wig! What do you think, Zig? Can you save it? Oh my soccer wig! I'm doomed. Huh? Wow, Zig! This is fantastic! This bandage is stunning! Dizzy, Diva, Dazzler!
Whoa!
Yeah! Diva style dance kick! Let's go with Plan B. Huh?
Great job, Mippy. All right. Soccer Star is back!
Great job, everyone! In this game of Soccer Stars, you all shined. Playing hard, having fun, and helping out is the goal here in Badanamu.
Pogo's lucky bat.
It's an exciting day at Bud's hut. Bud is unveiling a new machine. Abby can't wait to learn how it works.
So your woodchuck can make anything out of wood?
Bud.
Sorry, Bud. I'm late for the baseball game. I'll see you later.
Bud.
Abby! Great! Let's play ball!
Yeah!
Wait, what is Pogo doing? He's having a pre-game chat with Bam.
Who is Bam?
Bam is Pogo's lucky bat. He thinks it makes him a super slugger.
Are you ready to have fun and get a lot of hits?
Whoa, that's physically impossible.
Watch out! Matt's throwing some serious heat. Don't worry, Bada. Bam and I got this.
Poor Pogo. What should we do? I have an idea. We need a bat that looks exactly like Bam. Can you make it?
Bud.
I can hit without Bam. I can. I can't.
Pogo, we got you a new bat.
It might look like Bam, but it's not Bam.
Try it, Pogo. It's made of the same wood as Bam. Yeah, give it one swing and you will see.
Okay, let's do this, Bam Jr.
Pogo, how do you like your new Bam?
It's a grand slam!
Great job, everyone. Pogo was down down in the count, but you helped him out. Friends helping each other is always a home run. Here in Badanamu.
Bud.
Bowling with science.
It's a beautiful day. Everyone is playing together, sharing games and science experiments.
Woohoo! Step right up, and witness the amazing Abby's domino-driven fruit squisher. Whoa! Watch as I squish this giant grapefruit just by tipping over this tiny domino.
No way! It can't be done!
Oh, but it can be done through the power of science! Wow, super cool sign, Abby. How'd you make it? Simple, with the power of science! Whoa! Each domino will knock over the next one until they reach the biggest one. And...
Whoa! Whoa!
Ta-da! One squished grapefruit just from tipping over a domino.
What if we try a bowling ball? Science! Everyone grab a ball.
Yay!
You gotta roll from here and knock down the pins.
Whoa!
Ah!
No problem. Woohoo! Yeah!
Yeah! Pretty good, Bada. But what if you use the ball? Watch.
Whoa! Bowling balls are heavy.
Here, I'll help. Go for it, Abby.
Ah! Okay, I think we can all agree that this ball is officially defective.
Let's see.
Okay, maybe it's me. Just play without me. I guess I'm too small for bowling.
What? No way you're too small.
Yeah, think about your little domino. It worked to squish that big grapefruit.
That's it, Mimi. What if I use my dominoes? If I can build the right setup, I can move the bowling ball down the lane and knock down those pins.
Whoa!
What if we all help? That's even better.
Yay! Done.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah! Thanks, everyone. That was my best domino setup ever.
And the coolest bowling shot ever.
And we owe it all to one thing. Science!
job, everyone! You put dominoes and bowling together and knock down all the pins. You can always use science to make something new here in Badanamu.